when his butt comes up in the air far enough from my left leg to post, that's when the sweep happens. So look. He's got his body on me, and he squished me in, and he's super tight. Every now and then, I can scoot up to my elbow, and I can grab his lat like this, all right? So I'm pushing, he's crushing me. I get up to my elbow, and my arm's past his head. I take this arm, and I grab my lat, his lat, I'm sorry, okay? What I do now is, I should be able to get my leg straight. So I scoot, and this leg's straight. This hand either goes by the pants, or I under here, okay? This is gonna look weird, but a lot of times here, I can kick this hard enough while I tuck this to flip him over. See? And then I'll land on top. Then I'll kick the guy behind me too. Okay, so boom. Grab the lats so you can control. Spin your legs a little bit, so this one's straight, and you're gonna underhook. I press into him, and look, this leg kicks up. My knee's out. I kick up, look. Boom. Alright? Okay? Now, what I'm doing is, I'm making space and I swing over. This pinches so his head tucks so he has to roll. Okay? This kicks him over. This helps pick him up. So look, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up, flip him. Look. Look, see I'm here? I'm hooking to here. Now, watch. When I pick him up, look, I'm picking him up with this leg and this. I pick and drop this. When his butt comes up in the air far enough from my left leg to post, that's when the sweep happens. So look. So see my leg come up?